You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Spanish. It means a little grandma, little grandmother, and it's also the name of a Mexican chocolate brand. So if you want to learn more brand names of chocolates from around the world and more in Mexican, stay tuned. Meaning abuelita, that's a Spanish pronunciation here. Abuelita. Abuelita. In English, you can say it as abuelita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.